everyone, today we are going to learn number tracing. So let's start. We are going to learn with this amazing Leapstart book. And this is from Leapfrog. So let's start. So we have this beautiful pen and we will learn from 0. Let's start.
Touch your Leapstart book with your stylus to begin playing.
So first we will learn the number 0.
Number 0.
Number 0. How to write number 0? Let's do it again. Zero.
Number 0.
Let's write the next number. Number 1. Start from this point, come down straight.
Number 1.
Let's do it again.
Number 1.
Let's do the next number. Number? Do you know which number is this?
Number 2.
Number 2. Let's learn again. Look how I'm writing.
Number 2.
You have to make a curve and come down straight and then one more straight line. After 2, it's the number 3. Let's write. Now let's write the next number. After 2, it's the number. Do you know which number is this?
Number 3.
Yes, number 3. Let's write this number.
Not yet. Start at the red X. Drag. Not yet. Start at the... Number 4.
Number 4. After 4, it's the number 5.
Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Not yet. Start at the red. Number 5. Try again. Number 6.
Let's write the next number. After 6, it's the number...
Number 7.
After 7, it's the number... 8.
Number 8.
It's like 2 circles. One here, one here. After 8, it's the number...
Number 9.
Now let's write the number 10. Do you know what makes 10? 1 and 0. Let's write number 1. 1 and 0.
Number 0.
1 and
Number
0.
1.
Number 1 and
Number
0
1.
makes 10. 1, 0, 10.